Now let me show you the tricks to save you some efforts, because the mass of the empty grade A cylinder should be the same for all experiments. You do not want to type in the same number 5 times. Here is the trick. You move the mouse cursor to the cell with the number of the mass of the empty grade A cylinder. Click the left button of your mouse. Move your mouse cursor to the bottom right corner of the cell. You can see that the mouse cursor has changed from a white cross to a black cross. Hold the left button of your mouse down. Move your mouse cursor to choose the cells you want the same number. Release the left button. See what happens. Wow! You see the same number. Let's try to do the same for the temperature. Move your mouse cursor to the cell. Click the left button of your mouse. Move the mouse cursor to the bottom right corner. The mouse cursor has changed from a white cross to a black cross. Hold the left button of your mouse down. Move the mouse cursor to all the cells you want the same number. Release the left button of your mouse. Wow, amazing! But it has a small problem here. When you read the temperature reading in the lab, the temperature reading is 23.0. But here it only shows 23. How can we let it show 23.0? Now let me show you how to do it. Select all the cells with the same temperatures. Move the mouse cursor to the first cell. Hold the left button of your mouse down. Make sure the mouse cursor shows a white cross, not a black cross. Release the left button. Click the right button of your mouse. You will see a menu like this. Move your mouse cursor to choose Format Cells. Click the left button of your mouse when the mouse cursor is on Number. Then select Number by pressing down the left button of your mouse. Then you can change the decimal places, because we want the display to be 23.0, 1 decimal place. Click here. Now you see 23.0. Or you can type in the number here directly. Type in 1 if you want. If you want to have 10 decimal places, type in is faster. We only want 1, so we do not need type in. Then move your mouse cursor to OK button. Click the OK button with the left button of your mouse. Now you can see the temperature display is correct. Now let's continue. We will type in the density of water we just looked up. Then we make sure all the cells within this column has the same number as the density of water. We choose the cell first. Then we move our cursor to the bottom right corner until we see a black cross. Press the left button of your mouse down and hold it down. Then we will move the mouse cursor until we cover all the cells which should have the same density of water. Then we release the left button. Now our cells have the same number as the density of water.